Dude, this is crazy, dude.
Everything's destroyed.
Dude.
Tents are
I
done.
dare to take a video of it.
Tents are done. Broken in half. Our TV thing's gone.
Yeah.
All gone.
Everything.
Everything's
Hell.
blown away. And this huge piece of hail hitting.
It's like
Quarter-sized piece of hail.
It
I'm
looks like
soaking
golf.
wet.
Are you taking a video?
I'm soaking wet. Went out there to save a tent. He's over here.
Are you actually taking a video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then he was crying because of his dad.
Yeah, he was crying.
No.
We got this dog over here.
He's soaked.
So,
He's all over me.
and then
Like,
look at this seat. Look at this seat. Soaking wet because of me. And my bag and everything's in the tent. Destroyed.
I thought y'all were going for the team.
It's OV. My phone's soaking wet. And everybody's tents are just destroyed. Everybody's tents are destroyed. Their tent's like bent in half. Our tents are bent in half. Theirs over there. They're in a camper, lucky. And we're over here dying.
Are they actually in camper?
Yes.
Wow.
And the hail's like calmed down. Yeah, there's way bigger pieces.
Whoa. Like, it was like kind of size of golf ball.
God, why?
It's not his fault.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
No,
not.
it's not. It's Mother Nature.
Yes. Dude, it's bad. Why is
Dude, her phone is freaking so.
At least hers is waterproof. I'm like,
Yeah.
What time is it?
Mine's not waterproof.
It's 6:27.
it's
We
gonna
still
be
have
over.
20 minutes.
It's gonna be over in
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
My phone's about to
It said
die.
maybe to.
Dude, my
47.
phone's about to die. Look. Look, my phone's about to die.
It said maybe to 6:47. It could be longer.
No, it said that's the warning. It wasn't even
That's when
supposed to
it
start
wasn't
it
even supposed
yet.
to start yet.
Yeah. It wasn't even supposed to start yet. And it already started.
Is your shirt dry? You dry? My phone.
Where?
Everywhere. Yeah, I need to dry my hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, BJ's like, we have to go home.
Yes. Everything's destroyed. Everything.
Everything's broken, destroyed. I'm soaking wet.
I just look. Everything. Like, it's all you can see is darkness.
Hold on.
Oh,
Shorts
you-
dry?
Are they?
Yeah. I gotta take these pants off.
I bet Dana was crying.
They know
Why?
why she was freaking out. Because of BJ. She
Yeah.
said, "You know, help me."
I can't go out there. Dude, if I went out there and freaking piece of hell hit my...
That hail hurt. It was hitting me.
Dude, look at your legs.
What?
From the mark.
Why are you recording me?
I'm not. I'm not.
I have to put shorts on for these now. And you were making fun of me for it.
I do that all the time.
Boy.
Hold this.
We have to go home.
In an hour. Soaking wet. Here, hold this. Documenting our death story.
There's no way we can go home because you can't even see.
Alright, well, I'll update y'all after the storm passes and on the damage, alright?
Yeah.
Are you taking a YouTube video?
Bye.
Nah, it's just like